Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mama G, and for today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how I use the jojoba oil. So this one is from Organic and this is 100% pure and natural jojoba oil, certified organic, cold pressed and unrefined, chemical free, lightweight, fast absorbing, for hair, face and body, for all hair skin types, cruelty free and vegan, bottled in the USA. This is my favorite because this is the closest to our natural skin oil, which we call sebum. Okay, that's our body produce. So this is so good. I use a lot guys for my face, my body and my hair, and yeah, today I'm gonna share you guys on how to use first it. I use this one as a moisturizer. Okay, so after all my skincare routine, I apply a jojoba oil guys, and I just put few drops of jojoba oil and I rub it on my palm, and then I apply on my face and gives a nice massage like 5 to 10 minutes, just to make sure guys that my skin sink in the jojoba oil. Okay, so every evening I do like that. Then when I wake up in the morning guys, I wash my face, okay, with cleanser. After I put few drops of jojoba oil guys, and I massage my face and I rinse with warm water because I don't want to be feeling oily face in the morning guys. You can also add or mix in your everyday moisturizer. And one thing about this is I love this one, especially in winter time guys, like when I have choppy lips, dry lips, this one is very painful and this one helps me a lot. Okay, it's easy to apply. Just put drops, one drop on your finger, and then just rub it like this guys, and it really feels good, like your lips will be hydrated. And also if you want to have a healthy lips or nourished lips, okay, you just have to mix this one with brown sugar. Okay, just take a spoon, okay, just a little sugar and few drops of, like 2 drops of jojoba oil, and then scrub your lips like this guys, and after you will see your lips is like like pinkish reddish lips, like very natural looking. I love when I do that guys. As you can use after waxing and shaving, okay, so it will take out the stickiness and redness on your skin. And as I said guys, jojoba oil is very close to our natural skin oil, and so you don't have to worry when you apply on your face because jojoba oil, it doesn't clog pores. Okay, not all oil can do that, but this one, it doesn't clog pores, and it helps to treat the acne because it has an antibacterial property, so it helps to fight the bacteria that leads of breaking out. This one guys, you can use as a makeup remover, especially to those of long-lasting products. Sometimes the traditional makeup remover, it's difficult to take out, especially the mascara, the lipstick, but this one guys, it's very fast and it's very easy to take out. Okay, and this one is natural and no chemicals properties, and that's why it's very healthy to use as a makeup remover. You can also mix this one with your everyday shower gel guys, and after taking your shower you can feel your skin is very hydrated and very silky guys, very smooth. Also use this one during bath time guys, when you put some bubbles in your bath and few drops of jojoba oil, and the water will be more silky, more glorious, It helps you to relax, and it's really a pampering time, Be careful after you took your bath because it's become slippery, so I don't want you guys to end up in the hospital. I just want you guys to have a nice, relaxing and pampering time, so just be careful, okay? Jojoba oil, it can also use a moisturizer with your body. It can be replaced with your lotion. Okay, so lotion, when I use lotion guys, I use a lot okay, to moisturize all my body. And this one guys, I just use like 6 drops to all my body. Imagine that. The quantity that I use with the jojoba oil is very, it's just like this. And when I use lotion, I use like this. Yeah, it's crazy. And I love when my skin is shinier, you know, like it feels sexy. But the thing is, it's not the same with the lotion, perfume lotion, because perfume lotion, you know, it smells very good, but this one there is no smell. That's the only problem. But this one, it can also can be a massage carrier, and also you can mix with your favorite essential oil, so it can give you a nice aromatherapy. Okay, so I'm finished with the skin, face and skin. And for the hair, guys, it's also very good, guys, because I use this one before shower, after shower, anti-dandruff. So if you want to know more about the jojoba oil for hair, I will put in my description box, guys, because I already vlogged this one for my hair. And there is a lot of information there, so you guys can watch it anytime you want. So yeah, I will just put in my description box, guys, so it's easy for you to find it. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And yeah, don't forget to put like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And yeah, see you in my next vlog. Bye. Have a nice day.